I'd like to welcome you. I'm the Physician Director for the Regional Department of Cardiac Catheterization. The Cardiac Cath Lab at LAMC is a high-volume program that has 8 cath labs. 5 of these are dedicated to interventional cardiology and 3 to electrophysiology.
Kaiser Permanente Fellowship Program is a program where the attendings and the fellows work very closely with each other in a very collegial way. We've had a 1-year ACGME accredited fellowship since 1997. Currently, we accept 3 fellows per year, 2 of whom start in July and 1 in January. A year full of excitement.
We have a very unique staffing structure that is particularly advantageous for our trainees. The cath lab has a core group of physicians who are devoted to exclusively the cath lab. That is their home department. And you'll have this opportunity to work with these providers who 5 to 7 days a week exclusively do cardiac catheterization. You also have the opportunity to work with a larger group of providers. There are approximately 30 physicians who rotate through the cath lab, and that'll afford you an opportunity to work with a broad spectrum of individuals and learn different practice styles.
Our Cardiac Cath Lab and Interventional Fellowship Program is one of the largest center for the interventional cardiology in Southern California.
We do all standard procedures and many complex procedures. We have a thorough structural heart program, and we do perform also very niche procedures such as alcohol septal ablation, mitral balloon valvuloplasty, and even more rare procedures such as thoracic aortic aneurysms. As I mentioned, the cath lab is high volume. We do over 2,000 interventional procedures annually, and the department sees several thousand patients every year. For Kaiser Permanente in Southern California, this is a department that serves as part of the Cardiac Center of Excellence, providing, again, support to many of our other medical centers in Southern California and to all of our health plan members in the region as well.
We have a strong history of the fellows and the attendings working hand in hand on a one-on-one base where the fellows assume the primary operator role under direct supervision with the attending.
As a result, the autonomy provided to the IC fellows here is unparalleled. Historically, we achieve numbers that are well above the minimal requirement to sit for the IC boards. As an added bonus, because of the large clinical database, the research opportunities here are limitless. It is very possible to achieve multiple high-impact publications and poster presentations at large national conferences.
We are also fortunate to participate in various ongoing multi-centered clinical trials which put us in the forefront of our field. In the coronary arena, our fellows hit the ground running from day one. Our fellows are colleagues to us and are an essential part of our program. We have a one attending, one fellow model where the fellows act as the primary operator under direct attending supervision and teaching.
Our Los Angeles Medical Center is the referral center for patients with congenital and structural heart disease cases. As we serve 4 million members, we are one of the busiest centers for adult structural heart disease cases.
In addition to our core faculty who have expertise in coronary, structural, and peripheral interventions, our fellows work with a number of rotating attendings from the referring hospitals. They get to witness firsthand our daily multidisciplinary conference with our surgical colleagues, during which a plan of action is developed for complex cases. The mission of our program is and has always been to train future colleagues who are not only competent and confident in performing procedures, but first and foremost, provide guideline-directed care with the well-being of their patients in mind.